Hey everyone, welcome back to Web Tech Knowledge. In today's video, I'll show you how to push your code to GitHub using just a command line. No complicated tools, just a few simple commands. So before that, you need something. First, you need to download the Git and then you need a Git account and open it over here like this. If you don't know how to download a Git, then you can simply watch our video that we created. And after completing the Git download, then you can follow my steps very carefully. So first, what we have to do, we need to find out a folder that there have a project. So here is my project over here. As you can see, there is an index file and 3 photos. So now we need to open the command prompt. So for that, we can simply type over here cmd. And right now here we something need to type. So before that, you can simply come over into this section and here you can simply type cmd. And that will be the perfect. But we need to first write git init. Then I can simply click on enter. Then I can simply type git space add space dots. The dot means add everything in this folder and then click enter. And then we need to commit. So for that, now we commit with it with a message. So for that, we need to type git commit -m my first commit. Then simply click enter. So now we need to create a GitHub repository. So for that, we need to come over into our GitHub account. Then simply click on here new. And into the repository, we can simply type demo, like simply this. Click add a readme file and then simply create repository. And that's it. We create a repository. And now what we have to do, we need to copy the link from here, or you can simply copy it by clicking on code. And then you can simply copy the code over here like this. And then you can simply come over into your cmd prompt. And now we're going to copy the GitHub repo URL and now back. So now we're going to type here git remote add origin. I'm going to paste the link and then simply click enter. And now we're going to push the code. For that, we need to type here git push -u origin master. Then simply click enter. And right now, as you can see, they are showing connect to GitHub. So I didn't connect it with the GitHub. So for that, so that's it. Now you know how to push your code to GitHub like a pro using only terminal. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe to Web Tech Knowledge and comment below if you want to learn more Git basics.